Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. In this lecture, we will discuss about the spark lines and area graph. Spark lines and area graph are very near to each other, so there is a little difference. Somebody are saying that spark lines are good than the area, but the other are saying the area chart is better than the spark lines. Let's analyze or do practice on this. It's a basically already ready a result sheet. We will apply here in this area at the end. Routine or trend. I think trend is a suitable word. Trend is a suitable word. Just to highlight this area, we are getting trend. It's very simple, it's not difficult. In trend, we have to analyze about the trend of the Mars from start to end, and only this range will assign the range of the subjects in the trend range. Just click here, insert trend spark lines, columns, win loss. There are the different methods or types. Click at the lines first, insert a line chart within a single cell. Just click here. In this dialog box, it's asking data range. Just click here. This dialog box will collapse, and it's asking you for the range that you will apply in this area. This is basically a range, the range of the Javed. Just again expand this dialog box. Here is some range F6 to D6 to F6. Just press OK. It will show you here trend line, just like this, mean 25, 45, 65. If I will drag to next column, then it will show the trend of the below students. You can click here and drag the range. Now these all lines are showing the trend of the subjects. The starting was 130, again 42 and 85. 140 start, 165, 74, mean below to above. Just click here, change the type, column. You can also change the type from here, column, win loss, columns and line. When you click on the line, a sparking tools will show here. These are the colors, here are the x-axis dimensions, these are the basically types, columns. In column is showing you the range with the blocks. It's a win loss, it's a top column and it's a line. I think whatever you choose, it's up to you. In this next column, we are getting basically area map. Now you can do comparison, what is better than the trend, or the trend is better or area map is better. Just click here, insert area type. This is basically first. Just click here. It will show you the area map. Basically, it's not showing area map now due to wrong range that we have given. Just do it again. First of all, I have to select the Javed, Math, Physics and English. Okay, these three areas. I want to map of this one. Insert area and this one. It's showing the map. No, I don't want the x-axis values, y-axis values or the title or this one. Just move here, or layout or format in the layout, which will legend, x-axis title, none. Primary y-axis title, none. Chart title, none. Data labels, none. Data labels, none. X-axis primary, none. Y-axis primary, none. These lines, I don't want this grid. Okay. Grid lines, none. Primary grid lines, none. This is basically chart. Just reduce the size. And show this in this cell. If you increase the cell height, format row height 20, format row height 30. This is my first cell. Okay. Just select here, press Ctrl D, it will duplicate and drag it in the second row, and this range just click here and drag it to downwards, so the trend will change. Again click it, Ctrl D, and change the range. Ctrl D, again Ctrl D, now students, checks the trend of the different students. Just showing you. This is trend, this is area map. I think both have the different scenario, and both have different results with different presentation. It depends upon the student, depend upon the person or the topic in which you are working. As per, it will show you good or bad. I think it's very easy lecture and will help you in the practical life wherever you are working. Okay, thank you very much.